Greetings to all. Welcome to today's video lecture on subject retail management. Today's topic is product as a part of marketing mix. So students, if you remember in last lecture we had discussed what is marketing mix and what are its elements. So, if you remember, we had discussed four types of marketing mix elements commonly known as 4 P's of marketing mix. So, what are those 4 P's of marketing mix? Product, price, place, and promotion. So, from these 4 P's, we will be discussing 1 P today, that is product. So let's move on and see what is stored in line in today's lecture. So we will be discussing or we'll be brushing up what is marketing mix, introduction of marketing mix, elements of marketing mix, which we had already discussed in previous lectures. Additional to that, we will be discussing the definition of product, what is product, introduction of product as a part of marketing mix, and conclusion. So moving on, we'll be just brushing few topics, that's the basic ones from the previous lecture, that is definition of marketing. So according to AMA, that is American Marketing Association, defines marketing as the process, planning, and executing the conception, promotion, distribution, or ideas and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals. And that was marketing. So what is marketing mix? Marketing mix is concerned with the realities of and practicalities of how the marketing objectives may be turned into specific marketing plans and activities. The role of the marketing mix is to move objects and plans into reality of implementation and achievement. So as we had discussed, what the company has planned or kept in line with the objectives and goals should match the marketing mix. If not, the whole process or planning of marketing of a particular company fails. So if you see in this, what is marketing mix? Marketing mix acts as a stimulus and resulting variables such as consumer satisfaction, market share, return on investment, and company image as respondent. So if you see here, there are various factors which comprise in marketing mix. The marketing objective represent desired responses. The firm will be judged by outsiders on the basis of results achieved under consumer oriented marketing plans and strategies. So moving on, if you remember, we had discussed 4 P's of marketing, but as I was digging in more about the concept, I found out additional 3 new P's which have been added to this marketing mix. But the classic ones are 4 P's which we had discussed in last class, but addition to that we will be seeing now. So we have product, price, place, and promotion, which we had discussed. Addition to this are 3, which are people, process, and physical evidence. So we will be starting with our today's topic, that is product. So definition of product. What is the definition of product? The end result of the manufacturing process. It is the end result of the manufacturing process to be offered to the marketplace to satisfy the need or want of a customer. So the finished good, finished material of a manufacturing process, that is the end process. So the starting will be when you provide the raw materials, the goods to the manufacturing firm. These manufacturing firm will assemble all the products, put in place so it can be used by the end user, that is the customer. So the end result of manufacturing process to be offered to the marketplace to satisfy a need or a want of the customer. So products are the goods a business offers to its customers. So these are the goods which any company offers to its end users. A product marketing mix defines all the elements necessary to sell these goods in a marketplace. A part of the as a part of the overall marketing mix, which includes your price, place, promotion, that is the four P's of marketing mix, product plays the most important role in marketing strategies development, because if there is no product, what will you market? If there is product, to this product only you will be adding your price, you will be deciding where to sell this product, and how will you do the promotions for this product. If the product isn't good, or if the product planning is not good, then the remaining P's are of no use. Continuation. The variety of product lines that a company produces or that a retailer stocks. Product mix usually refers to the length, that is the number of products in the product line. Breadth, that is the number of product lines that the company offers. And depth, that is the different variety of products in the product line. So if you see, let's take a famous example of ITC, that is the Indian Tobacco Company. So before, the ITC was selling only tobacco goods, that is your cigarettes and cigars. But now if you see in recent trend, it has ventured into various venues, that is into your hotel industry, hospitality, then you have your stationery, that is your books, your eateries. So name it, the ITC is already present in those markets. So it provides n number of products and services to its customers, that is their end users. So let's see the introduction of the product. So product means the tangible part of product and service, such as the quality and the design. For example, if marketers want a lower product quality, this ensures that they can offer a lower price and attract more customers in accordance with the law of demand. If marketers decide on a higher quality product, they will lose customers. So this is based on your demand and supply. If the product price is high, usually the company tends to lose the customers, because they will go for the competitor's product, which might be priced at a cheaper price. Continuation. The product, service or program includes both tangible and intangible elements. The tangible, because these goods that the customer can see, feel, touch, taste or smell. So any product which is tangible comes into this aspect. Continuation. Product is actually a complex, multi-dimensional concept. It is defined broadly enough to include services, programs, attitudes, and also includes whatever you may be offering to the targeted market, that is to your audience, your customers, your end users. So product is a term which is used widely for all the things offered to the end user by its company, which can be services, also can be your programs, your educational certification courses. All these are products which are being provided by a company. So what exactly is a product? A product is a bundle of satisfaction that a customer buys. It is a set of attributes put together in some distinct form. So in the words of Philip Cote, A product is anything that can be offered to market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that satisfy a want or a need. It includes physical object, service, person, place, organization, and idea. So if you see this, a product is anything which is offered to attract the attention and acquisition of the consumer to quench its thirst for its wants and needs. So the American Marketing Association, that is AMA, defines a service as activities based on satisfaction which are offered for sale of goods. So product and service goes hand in hand. So Philip Kotler defines service is an act or performance that one party can offer to another, that is essentially intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. So moving on, how does product play a part in this marketing mix? So every organization has a product mix that is made up for product lines. So each company has their own marketing mix which they have to follow based on their needs and goals of the company. So product line contains product items. Each product item is a product or a service as well as the brand, packaging and services associated with it. So there are 6 components that follow under product in marketing mix, that is the service, package, brand, product item, product line and assortment of these product mixes. So if you come to conclusion, we see that this first part of marketing mix, that is the product, has a crucial role in the remaining P's of marketing mix to come. So we will be discussing the next 3 P's in the later videos. So if you have any doubts or any queries on this topic, you are free to ask and ping the doubts. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.